Childhood memories are always special, and I think toys play an important role in shaping those memories. One of my favorite toys during my childhood was a small red car, and I am so glad that I've been given the opportunity to talk about this special toy for this excellent topic. I would like to thank you for that. The toy was a small red car that could be operated by winding it up. It had a sleek design with shiny wheels, and it could move quickly on any surface. The car was made of metal and had a clear glass front, which gave it a very realistic look. This was a car that I never wanted to lose and kept literally near my heart. My father gave me this toy when I was around 6 years old. He saw how much I loved playing with cars and knew I would cherish it. I played with this toy car every day after school and on weekends. It was my favorite toy, and I would take it everywhere with me. I would make different tracks and roads on the floor and race it around the house. There were several reasons why this toy car was my favorite. Firstly, it was a gift from my father on my 6th birthday, which made it very special to me. Secondly, I loved playing with cars and this one was the best one I had. Moreover, the design and quality of the toy were very impressive, and it could perform well on any surface. Finally, it provided me with endless hours of entertainment and allowed me to use my imagination to create different scenarios and stories. It was not just a toy, but it was a source of joy, creativity, and inspiration for me.